p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 12 to 19 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles south of Santa Cruz, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Santa Cruz, Corralitos, Scotts Valley, Javitola, Live Oak, SoCal, Twin Lakes, Opal Cliffs, Felton, Aptos, Van Loon, Rio Del Marche, Eureka Canyon Road, Boulder Creek, Day Valley, Athos Hills, Larkin Valley, and Athos Hills, Larkin. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows.
Yeah, and probably against like Scotts Valley is probably the closest one. We're super close to there. But the thing is all from like a little bit of the end of like West Cliffy area, that part of there, all the way through to Corlitas, which we pass through Watsonville,
Mhm.
get to Salinas. So all that area